Hey guys, what's up? My name is Jennifer. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I run a travel blog called Where To Now Jenny. It's always linked in the description box below if you want to check it out. In today's video, I'm going to talk about what's in my personal item. If you didn't know, a personal item is a small bag or backpack. I usually go with a backpack just for personal comfort's sake, but it's going to be a bag that's small enough to fit underneath the seat in front of you on an airplane. Some carriers have their own specific guidelines for this, so you probably want to check with your airline before you fly, but it's going to be a bag that's small enough to fit under there. You'll never have to check it. It'll always be with you. So that's where you'd want to keep all your important documents, your passport, your wallet, any medications, your electronics, anything that's of value to you. So we are about to go on an Alaskan cruise. I think the last video I did of a what's in my personal item was one I did for our MSC Divina cruise. I think that was 4 years ago. That was a Mediterranean cruise. It was a great cruise. If you want to check that video out, I'll link it in the cards, either here or here. I can never remember where, but I'll have that linked and also down in the description box. So that's been about 4 years ago. So I kind of wanted to do like an updated version, and I have an updated bag. So I wanted to share all of that new stuff with you. So first of all, let me show you my new bag. So in 2020 for my birthday, my husband got me the Wandered Provoke 21 liter camera backpack, and I am super excited to finally get to use it. This will be its maiden voyage. It only took 2 years to get on an airplane, but I wanted a place where I could have a place to protect all my camera gear in the bottom camera pack, and then also have a place up top where I could put maybe a light sweater or my wallet or my purse or snacks or a book or things like that. So it's doing double duty as my personal carry-on. I'm glad to finally have something that I feel like it protects my camera gear. I've been kind of lackadaisical. Why can I not get that word out? This is the second time I filmed this intro because I cannot get that word out. I've been very lackadaisical about how I pack my camera equipment, and those days are gone. I'm going to be a little more protective of the gear that I have. So this camera bag is going to fit the bill. So let's start looking at what I am going to be putting in my carry-on bag. Gosh, my personal item. My personal item. The first thing to go inside the bag will be this camera cube. And inside I'll have some extra mounts. This is for a cell phone. This is a backpack clip for the GoPro. And then an extra mount for my DJI pocket. Here is my DJI pocket, and then this case has the GoPro. It's already on a shorty mount, and then it's got batteries, another clip, a charger, SD cards, anything I might need related to the GoPro is probably in its case. Next, I have this tripod from Ulanzi. It's like a extendable tripod. And then in this white bag, it's chargers for everything else. The phone, the camera that I'm using now, the Kindle, external battery chargers. Let's see. Our headphones. Anything else electronic that I'm taking that I will need to charge. The charger is in this white bag. Next, we have anything like health related. So these are our COVID tests that we take Sunday after we get there. This is a bag of all of our prescription medication. This is my like airplane emergency kit. It's got like band-aids and medicine, Kleenex, just anything you could possibly think of. I think I have a video of where I showed everything that was in here. If I can find it, I'll link it in the cards. This is my motion sickness medication pouch. It goes everywhere with me on every cruise. It is always with me. This is a pack of masks just in case we need them. This is Kleenex, of course, and then these are my motion sickness glasses. So these are just a few things to make the plane ride more enjoyable. Snacks. It's got like nuts, chips, protein bars. Oh, what else is in there? There's probably a little candy in there. Then I have a pack of gluten-free honey crisps or honey grams, because we are going on a s'mores excursion and I don't want to be left out. And then I have a packable travel blanket for the plane. And last but not least, we have passports, and also COVID vaccination cards are in there because we need them to get on the ship. This is my in-seat organizer. So in this front pocket, let's see if I can get it open with just one hand. Yeah, it has my air flies, and this is a little device that you plug into. Let's see, yeah, you plug it into the speakers on the seat back entertainment, and then it's Bluetooth, and two people can watch the same thing or listen to it, or you can use it alone, and then you don't have the cord draped across from yourself to the seat back in front of you. And I have broken many accords. Like I was saying, I have broken many accords that were draped across from me over to the seat back entertainment and forgot they were there, totally slipped my mind, tried to get up and just ripped them out. So hopefully this little device will save me from doing that again. Also in this pouch is the adapter for my phone to have regular headphones, and then the Apple headphones. And I will probably slide my AirPods down in there, or my Beats, depending on which ones I decide to bring, because that is still on the list of things that need to be found. This has my external battery, as well as both of our little air... Hold one second. All right, this is better. So this little device, it goes like this, and this part, this bottom part, opens up, and then you clip it onto your tray table, or if you have one of those little magazine holders on the back of the seat in front of you, you can clip it onto there. And then this part, you clip your phone in, so you can watch whatever you've downloaded onto your phone during while you're on the plane, and then you don't have to hold your device. It sounds lazy, but it folds up really flat, and I can fit it in my little seat back organizer here, so we're going to try it out this time. All right, so that's everything that's in the main part, and then you can flip it over to the back, and it has like this little clear pouch that you can see, and I have my Kindle in there, so I can have it with me at the ready when I'm on the plane. I think the best part of having your personal item packed is that you know your trip is upcoming very soon. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to follow along with our Alaskan cruise, then you can follow me on Instagram at WhereToNowJenny, or TikTok if you like. You can also subscribe to the channel with the notification bell turned on. That way you'll be the first to know when those Alaskan videos start to go live. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!